Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to design a thank you card on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to type in the keyword in the search bar, thank you card, and wait for the results to show. Now once you're on a page like this, just select a template that speaks to you. Ideally I would choose this dark one because it's very mature. But you can always do you and select something with that speaks to you or your business and customize it. So let's assume I want to customize this dark one. I'll click on it and click on customize, and I can also choose others that are similar to this type of card I want to customize. So once I'm on the page, I can edit it properly and make it mine. Thank you for your order. Let's say my business is what would I call it? Let me say aura boom. This name is funny, but so thank you for your order. Thank you for your order, aura boom. And that's how to design a thank you card on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one, guys.